My name is Carlos Martin, and in this video, I will show you how you can start your free 15-day trial in the candlesticks.com platform. This trial is for intraday use, to use Price on Rails AI model to trade with you, alongside you, using the agent mode and foreseeing the next 5 bars in the intraday charts of whatever markets that you want to see, stocks, futures, or crypto. Let's see my screen. Let's start on our website, candlesticks.com. To start your trial, you need to come to pricing, and then you click on try for free, and then start free trial. This will send you to this Stripe screen. No credit card needed, just fill in the blanks, and then you start your trial. Sometimes it takes a couple of hours for our system to deploy your server, your platform. Depends on the demand that we have. Other times it's instant. After you do this, you receive an email with instructions. After starting your trial in our website, you receive an email with instructions, and then we can come to this login. If it's your first time here, you can click on forget your password if you don't have a password yet. And then you provide your email here, and then you receive another email with a link to reset your password. This password will be the same password you will use across all features of the system. When you have your password, you just use it to log in the system. Although the platform is a full desktop platform, you can access it through your browser. Don't need to download, don't need to install anything. You just use this left menu here to click on My Platform, and then you'll be redirected to this screen where you can use the remote app desktop if you know how to use it. It's a Windows system, or you can just access the platform from your web browser option. Your platform is starting. The same password that you used to log in the dashboard, you will use here to log in your studio. Okay, you can see that my chart will open on the last security that I was using. In this case, the micro S&P futures in 1 minute intraday chart. I have some configurations already inside the chart, and I have this bright screen here with the price on Rails, and I have my P&L here already populated. If you click in your P&L, you can see details about your trades for the day. If you have open positions, you see the open positions here. If your position is flat, you see only the realized and commissions and total P&L that you have for this day. This is a day trade feature. If you are not seeing the price on Rails charts here, you can just click on price on Rails button in your top bar, and then it will trigger the price on Rails for you. Price on Rails is an intraday feature, and on the right side, you see the projections of the next 5 bars in real time.
Thanks for tuning in this video. I hope you found it informative and helpful. If you're interested in learning more about our products or services, we've got just the thing for you. You can schedule a 30-minute video call with our team, where we'll be more than happy to answer any questions you might have. For those of you with easy questions, feel free to shoot us an email at support@translatestocks.com. We'll do our best to get back to you as soon as possible. Until next time, stay informed and stay invested.